Hi, it's Kat. I explore, I create, and I make things I love. Get crafty with me, episode 4. For this episode, I will teach you how to bind a notebook. Let's start. I'll be using an Oficom binding machine. I also have here the double loop wire, a plier, paper, and then our covers. Tada! First, we're going to put the paper in the wire. So the size of the paper is A5. The size of the paper is A5 and the size of the wire is A4. So we have to cut it. Okay? We're going to use the plier like that. It will look like this. Next, after we put the inner pages of the notebook, we're going to put the front cover. And then lastly is the back cover. So this is the back cover. We're going to put it like that. So the back cover will be inside like that. It will look like that and then like this. We need to put the back cover last because the lock of the notebook should be inside. So it will look like this. And then once the paper and the covers are ready, we will put the double loop wire like a letter C in the machine, in the binding machine. So that when we bind it, the wire will be round. Okay, and then we will bind it like this. Okay, and make sure that the wire is properly closed. So we need to bind it one more time. It will look like this. Yay, and that's it. That's how you bind a notebook. So this is the back cover. This is what I'm talking about. The lock would be inside if we put the back cover last. There. That's the front cover. And then this is the inserts. And then the back cover. So this is my other page for my crafting shop. Thank you for joining me on this crafting adventure. See you again on our next video. Bye!